In this lecture, I want to talk about text formatting. Delete all of them. Okay. I create a paragraph and this is bold text. For bolding the text, use B tag. Save, refresh. You see it's bold. The bold word is bold. We use B tag for bolding text, but it's generally use a strong tag. Use strong tag and close strong. Save, refresh. Nothing happened. It is the same, but it's generally, and I recommend to choose a strong tag. Now I want italic text. Create a paragraph. This is italic text. Use I tag, save, italic text. I recommend you to use EM for italic text, save, refresh. Nothing happened, but I recommend you to choose italic, EM for italic text. Okay, another paragraph. This text is underlined. And use U tag. Save and underline the text. But I recommend you to use ins tag. Save and nothing happened, and I recommend you to use ins tag for underlining. Create another paragraph. This is superscript text. Superscript means stay higher than other. I use SUP and close this tag. Save, refresh. This word higher than other words. Use SUP or SUP tag. Okay, another paragraph. This is subscript text. Subscript means lower than, stay in lower than others. Use SUB tag. Save, refresh. This word is lower than other. put another paragraph. This word is deleted. For deleting, use del tag. Save, refresh. There you go. And line through the word for deleting. For adding section and horizontal line, we have used HR tag. For example, I use HR tag here. Save and add horizontal line here. HR here. Fantastic. For more information about text formatting, go to the W3 School. And smaller, mark, ins, subscript, superscript, etc. Okay, I will